find now dry pepper. Omo, this is dry pepper. I bring am for Naija. So everything now, we go give it a mix. Make everything enter body. Then we go put final. Everything we dey get and pepper, all the spice. Now see, my fufu be this one riban for Holland. Better everything we get and here. See black pepper from Africa. It is hot. We get all the many. Everything. Slice the onions now. Make I slice the onion. This I now cover the pot. Guys, this one I fit do. But I need too much stand. I need to get that power. Oh my! Onion. You stir and mix some. Fresh pepper, even though we don't put dry pepper. Slice the pepper. We dey put the pepper. I do make a hot chicken. This one I want cook achi soup. With goat meat. See Papa goat now. See Papa goat the original food. Look am fresh one. They don't burn them for fire. Fresh goat baby. Look at. Hey. This one come off for freezer, guys. Fresh one. As it is like this, it's expensive.